So here is ZORA app, post and create coins. Turn your content into coins. So quite interesting app. Post to create a coin. See what content people are buying and selling. Earn every time your coin is swapped. Get paid instantly. Add free feed. Discover trending art, memes, videos, and more on ZORA. So yeah, kind of interesting social media app. It's got some trending on TikTok, and this is how it looks like. Kind of very similar layout to Instagram or Instagram threads. People are just following you. Yeah. And then basically the idea that this is kind of some Web3 app where you're just posting and you're posting on here and you can earn these Solana coins, as I understand. So then you have your posts. You can use Sparks to mint what you love. So that's basically what I know. Okay, so it's not Solana, it's on Ethereum. So it's kind of like Ethereum wallet where you can just buy these mints, buy these Sparks. So you can buy 9 mints. And here you can see the prices in Danish krona. So it's like 1,000 Sparks, 9 mints is around like $5. And then up to $50, 10,000 Sparks, 90 mints. So this is what you're getting in here. And yeah, by the way, also they have invite code. So you can also earn some Sparks for inviting friends. So feel free to use my code in here. So here's my code, which you can use in here. So just feel free to do that. And then there are some people in here who just posting that. Then you can see people who hold it. People who are commenting it. Then you can also just buy it. So you can just buy it for some Sparks, and you need to buy it for that. So that's basically the idea. And then basically then you can see people who bought it, as I understand. So kind of you're posting your pictures, and then basically there are also videos, and then people just can buy it with Ethereum. So that's what it is. So this is still early stages of this app. You can see a lot of interesting people here, and yeah, people just posting it. You can copy address. You can see it on Dex Screener, and basically, again, the idea is that you can sell your photos with Ethereum. So that's the idea in here. And yeah, then you just have all the different types of photos. You still need to go through it, and then, for example, you just taking a photo, you can crop it, you can add text, you can draw it, and then you can just add new post. And then want to claim more upfront. Every time you post, you automatically receive 10 million from the total supply. I don't know what that is. And then you'll just receive that. And then you just can post it like this. I don't know what will happen. So you're just posting it here. I'm just showing you the basic process. And then you can see that the post is created. You can see it in here. I mean, yeah, I don't know what are these numbers in here, like holders. You can see there is Uniswap pool and me as a holder. So something like that. Anyhow, this is the idea of the app. So here you have your account, you have settings, you can invite people, you can have linked accounts. Can you cash out? Link your Coinbase account to convert the sparks you've earned to Ethereum. So you can also do that. So you can cash out, and then you can also delete your account if you wanna. You'll just be redirected, and then you just need to go through the login process and log in through here, and that's basically the process. Yeah, so as you can see, so this is the app which you can try to use, and yeah, so basically that's the idea.